everybody. Whoa. Getting the combines ready for day 2 wheat harvest. It's a little wet right now, so we're out here trying to cover all those little holes there, so I can use the full potential of this tank, because when it gets up to those windows, the wheat trickles out of there because it's not small enough. So we're gonna cover that so we can fill this thing up, this giant hopper. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit before we get going. Ground's soaking wet, wheat's wet, so it'll be a little while. Well, one combine done, filled up, coolant check. Woo. Screen's covered. One down, I gotta check the sickle over. Check that bad boy over next. Now we just wait. It's a waiting game from here. Well, we're getting going, and it's been a heck of a day so far. First, my morning just went to pot. Second, I dumped my dinner on the ground in the cab. Third, I went to shake my iced tea up and the lid wasn't on, so my lap got wet. I don't even want to know. I just want to plug this thing, get it over with. It's been a morning, but we're going. Yeah, I got her all serviced this morning. We're chugging along at 0.7 mile an hour. Just making sure it's not too tough yet. I mean, it's only, well, it started 15 minutes ago, but it's 11 o'clock. So we're going. We're eating wheat. Stuff's coming in the front, going out the back. Grain's coming in the tank. So far so good. Let's hope it stays that way. We're gonna push to get her done today. Probably got 80 acres left, so it's doable. Terribly doable. So be good to be done with the wheat finally. So in our expensive game of chicken there, as you would see in the last little bit, we could have made it. There's a little strip. It's aggravating. Not quite taking in the whole head. Slightly terribly aggravating because there's really no good way to get that last little strip. 45-foot flag striper would have been the ticket here. Now we're down to like 2 strands of wheat over there, not 4. That's great. That's great. Such a waste of a trip down the field. What do you do? We're getting closer. Rains are coming. Uh-oh. Rains are coming. I got 62 done, and hopefully he's got roughly the same, so we only got 40 acres left. You know, I don't know what he's done, but 30, 40 acres left to do. So we're gonna, be trying to beat the rain here and get the weed off. Still got a little field left. A lot of field left. There's nothing more aggravating than when I struck out. I was positive that I see 2 tile flags over there, and I only went around 1. So after you went around that one, and the rest of the time you're like, when did I eat that flag? You know, maybe I was hallucinating. But nothing more aggravating than thinking you saw 2 of them, and then there wasn't 2 of them. It's like not a good thing. And currently, we're racing the rain. Maybe. It looks like it might hit us. It's awful blue over there in the west. It's rain right there. Yeah. It's a race against time right now. We're down to our last 20 acres. It's going to be a close one. But it's working great. So if it all keeps going like this, takes its jolly old sweet time, we'll get her done. It's gonna be really, really aggravating if we have like 5 acres left and it rains. But it's a good thing that the cat's been running non-stop all day, so that's really helped out a lot. We've been able to cover a lot more acres today. Yeah, a lot more acres today, I would say. When they're both churning on without any hitches or bumps or anything. It's been a good day so far, but yeah. It's coming. I mean, it is, of course it's coming because we laid all the hay down, or we did, and we are laying all the hay down, so that's not cool. But we're just about done with wheat. It's gonna be a good day. Man, all this dust. It's nice for a change. There it goes. Yeah, oh, it climbed. Climbed since the last time. We were down to 13.1, but this dust is it's a nice change. That's a good sign. Just as we're getting close to done, it's sure getting dusty. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. I think that's how that goes. We escaped the rain with only a few drops, so that was pretty good. So yeah, needless to say, when I said watch, we'll probably get rain and only have 5 acres left, that's essentially when it did start raining. We didn't have a whole lot left in January, but got like an acre left, and we didn't get rained out, and the sun looks like it might be peeking out, but I think we got 14 or 15 loads off this field, so it's not doing, that wasn't too bad. Seemed like a good crop. It's amazing that it wasn't laying flat after the wind we've had this summer. Very impressed with that. This is, yeah, one of the first years that I can honestly remember not combining wheat that was flatter than a pancake. It just makes it a lot less stressful. So, well, I'm gonna finish her up. Watching. Hope you guys enjoy a little harvest video. It's a nice change of pace for once instead of spraying. More harvest to come. We're just getting started. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. There'll be plenty to come. Give her a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Any questions, concerns down there that you might have. But hey, give her a thumbs up and subscribe for sure. Thanks for watching.